In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to reset color settings in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, a best match would appear. By that, please navigate here in the right side and click on the open option once you have seen it to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Here at the settings, please proceed here in the side and proceed to the search bar here. Okay, and please type for color management. Once you've typed it, a result at the first, which is color management, will appear, sorry, click on it, and then that way you would be able to bring up this color management window. Okay, so once you have bring it up, you can close the settings so that we can focus on this color management window. So first, you need to navigate to the second option, which is third, sorry, which is advanced. And then you need to go with change system defaults, which has this shield icon. Click on it, and the moment you click on it, you will be able to open similar window. Okay. So by that, we need to go with advanced again. And here under the display calibration, you can see there use Windows display calibration. So please check this and then close the window and then close this as well since it will be checked here. Close this as well. And then here navigate to the start and click on this power menu options and restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you would be able to successfully reset the color settings here in your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video had helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.